Happy birthday, Leah.
38 years old.
Still very mellow right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Look at the cat.
Yeah, I can sit from the other side of the street.
Onward.
¿Estás bien, mamá? Bien. ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? Bien, todo bien. ¿Están llegando ahora?
So this is the actual plaza that's closed right now.
Oh, okay.
I mean, because it closes at 5.
I gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, it's walkable, but I wouldn't walk it.
No?
No. So it gets pretty busy later.
Gotcha. Early days.
But it's not dead now.
No, the day drinkers are still here.
I see Jim Beam over there, so that's good. And it's kind of like, you know.
It smells really good.
We're on the search for Jim Beam. Is that what's up?
Yeah, for sure. Keeping track.
Everybody needs a mission. Every team needs a mission.
Yes.
Fun. I love it. It's going to be cool when this is open, yeah, during the day.
Oh, it's lovely. Lots of police, which is good to see. Look at the kitty cat sleeping.